Yo, what's up? Niaje watu wa Magari. My name is SpaceYaMagari and welcome. This is SpaceYaMagari. And today we've been having one of the greatest experiences we've had. We've been trying to achieve to go to 5 Rubik stations in one day. Tukienda kutembelea watu wetu wa Magari, all the people that we had planned to visit at SpaceYaMagari. And we've made it successfully to station number 5. And this station number 5 is now at Rubis, Lavington, that is along James Gishuru Road, where now today we're going to be meeting one of our best friends from the space, somebody who's been with us for a while, been working and making sure that the space has been doing its project, supporting them behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, and now we're lucky to also see his machine, tujue ni nini amekuwa akiendesha. So let's take this time and meet our friend, Mr. Kiarie, designer. How are you, sir? You good?
Niko salama.
Welcome to SpaceYaMagari.
Asante sana.
I've always wanted to host you, but this was one of those I wanted to have today. Nilikuwa najiuliza, one finally nimepatana na Kiarie because I want to talk about this Fortuner.
Oh, this tool.
We
call it a tool. Yes, it's a tool.
It has a name.
It has a tool. It's called a tool. Yeah, to take you where you're going.
This car, I've met it in several. I think this is the third time I'm meeting or something.
Yeah, it should be the third time.
I've never had a chance to actually know about it. And probably even document for the guys.
Okay.
So this is why we're here. Just give us like a small rundown. Who is Kiarie? And then what do we have here?
My name is James, as you already have heard. This is my tool for traveling around, especially off-roading, overlanding, but it's also my daily drive. I like it because it's low maintenance. Iko na good ground clearance, wajua barabara zetu vile ziko. Mashimo hapa na pale. But it's really a good car, but you have to maintain it properly.
What do you mean by low maintenance?
It varies because sometimes, in most cases, unapata a big car is a high maintenance. The only downside nasema into the, if you say like the high maintenance part of this vehicle, maybe the fuel consumption. But besides that, of which hata hiyo, it's relative based on what you do with it. This car is a Toyota Fortuner. From the famous family of Toyotas. And Toyotas are synonymous with reliability. I realize there are some locations that I'm not able to access, especially when overlanding. Unaenda kuna mahali, unapata wezi ingia huko kwa sababu ya haina 4-wheel nini. So I decided the next vehicle that I'm going to get, I need a vehicle that has low range, ikona 4-wheel capability, vitu kama hizo. But at the same time, importantly, I could not afford a very expensive car. No. Actually, speed is the last thing in my bucket list. I'm not going to lie to you. Speed is not a factor to me. Yeah, because what happens is when you're off-roading and you're overlanding, it's more of discovery. You want to see things. Speed is not really a factor to me. This engine is stock. Hakuna ati modifications, sijui tuning ama nini. This engine is stock. It's a 2.7 petrol variant. Before you get to pop the hood, let me just remind you that we are at Rubis, Lavington, upper James Gishuru. We are here courtesy of Castro and Rubis, and the idea is very simple. Anytime you're looking to have an oil change for your vehicle, anytime you're looking to do service for your vehicle, we're always recommending Castro products. Oh, and just as a quick reminder, he's SpaceYaMagari number 44. And that's it from us at SpaceYaMagari, the 5th station that we were looking to visit today. We have achieved it. We've met all the people that we wanted to meet, and most of all, we've met number 44, SpaceYaMagari. Huyu ndio Lewis Hamilton wetu. So tunashukuru sana, and for that reason, I'm out. Asante.
Thank you, man.
Nashukuru sana.
That was from me, SpaceYaMagari, we are out.